This is our home. It is both solid and steadfast, but also fragile and vulnerable. Experts tell us that the Earth's climate is rapidly changing, presenting a real and major threat to our future. But the causes and effects can be hard to comprehend. Introducing Climate Station. See for yourself how much the climate has changed over the last century. Discover what is causing these changes and the effects they're having on the natural world. Find out what the world could be like in the future if we tackle climate change quickly, and what could happen if we don't. We cannot solve a problem without first understanding it. So, let's begin our journey of exploration. Welcome to Climate Station. You are about to see how the weather affects our planet over a complete year. It's the 1st of March, 2019, the beginning of a meteorological spring in the Northern Hemisphere. Let's start the playback. Every 2 seconds marks a day, another complete rotation of the Earth. At this time of year, tropical cyclones form in the southwest Indian Ocean. This one is called Cyclone Idai. It will turn out to be the second deadliest ever recorded in the southern hemisphere. Over 1,000 people across East Africa will lose their lives. This year, the temperature distribution of the Indian Ocean is uneven. The eastern side is unusually cool, and the western side is unusually warm. This warmer water contributes to Cyclone Idai's record strength, and Africa will have increased rainfall throughout the year. On the other side of the ocean, where the water is cooler than normal, there will be drought. Let's jump to May and look at North America. At this time of year, a flow of warm, humid air heading north clashes with another flow of cool, dry air heading south. Where they meet, supercell storms begin to form. These intense thunderstorms can generate narrow, violently rotating columns of air known as tornadoes, which can achieve the highest measured wind speeds on Earth. Sometimes over 400 kilometers per hour. Further north, you can just see the smoke from huge wildfires in Alberta, Canada. Dry, windy conditions helping them to spread to a much larger area than normal. As the year advances, the point where the sun is directly overhead at midday has been shifting northwards due to the tilt of the planet. It has reached its northernmost position at the Tropic of Cancer. On that imaginary line lies India, and the direct sunlight is contributing to an intense heatwave there. But it's not just near the equator that's affected by high temperatures. Near the Arctic, it is much warmer than usual, and in Siberia, an area the size of Belgium is on fire. Europe is now experiencing a heatwave as well, and hundreds of people will succumb to the record high temperatures in the next few days. The European heatwave in 2022 will be the deadliest weather event worldwide that year. Meanwhile, back in India, monsoon rains arrive. They form every year when a difference in heating over land and ocean causes a change in the In the middle of the last century, few people were interested in climate change. Levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere were unknown. Temperatures were being recorded, but no one was assembling them to make an accurate global picture. At this time, a young researcher called Charles Keeling was working out a way to measure the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. He found concrete proof that as the level went up and down with the seasons, it was also steadily. The Earth's atmosphere contains 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. What might the rest of the century be like for us? Climate Station has allowed us to gain a new appreciation.